What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have a 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat that we just got done lifting and added some new wheels and tires too. So if you guys are looking to do the same thing yours, trying to figure out what wheels and tires to go with, what lift kit to go with, you should take a look at this one. So what we did with this truck is we added a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. And when you get a rough country lift kit, you have 3 options to go with. You can go with the strut spacer, the extended lifted strut, or you can go with the adjustable coilovers with the Vertex shocks. And that's going to give you the best ride quality. With this truck, with it being a little bit older, having some more miles on it, we went with the extended strut. So we completely took out the factory strut and replaced it with a new one to get some of that ride quality back. So if you have a newer truck that doesn't have as many miles on it, you can actually just add the strut spacer and maintain that ride quality as well. We went with a 35-1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter tire RT. This one's going to be kind of like a hybrid tire, so it's a mix between the mud terrain and all-terrain tires. So it's going to give you the best of both worlds. It's going to give you the quiet ride on the road, but also give you a little bit of that aggressive look, as well as that longer tread life. You can go with different options. There's other hybrid tires out there. You can go with the Nitto Ridge Grapper, or you can go with the Toyo Open Country as well. Those are both really good options to go with as well. With this wheel and tire package, with the lift kit, we do a little bit of trimming down here on the plastic piece right below the bumper. We just do a little bit of trimming there and make sure that there isn't any rubbing when you go to a full turn. Down here we have a 22x12 Fuel Blitz in the gloss black and milled finish. This one's gonna be that 22x12 with a -44 offset. So with that offset, it's gonna give you a nice concave look. It's gonna really push that center of the wheel in and give you that deep look, but also push that wheel and tire package out 4 to 5 inches, giving a nice wider stance. This wheel is a really good looking wheel that is very popular along the lifted truck community. There's a lot of different options and finishes for this wheel. So to go over those real quick, you can get this finish in a 16x8 all the way up to a 22x12. There's a lot of different sizes for this one, so you can run it on whatever kind of look you want to go with. Or you can also get this in different finishes. There's about 4 different ones. You have this gloss black and milled, or you can go with an all gloss black, the platinum finish, which is a really nice, clean looking finish. Or you can also go with the gloss or the black with the DDT finish, which is Fuel's probably the most unique finish that looks really good as well. So if you guys really like this build and want to get this done to your truck, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. And if you guys have any questions, we also offer 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys have any questions about any of that, make sure you check out the description for more information.